If you think you have seen a big truck before, I promise you, you have seen absolutely nothing until you stand next to this thing in real life. Because this lifted GMC Sierra Denali HD is so tall, so wide, and so brutally aggressive that it makes every other truck on the road look like a complete toy. Welcome back to 77 Motors, and today we are doing the full detailed review of this jaw-dropping custom GMC Sierra Denali HD that is turning heads everywhere it goes, and I genuinely cannot stop staring at it. Starting with that incredible exterior, deep gloss black paint so clean and so dark it reflects everything around it like a mirror. That massive chrome grille with the bold red GMC badge sitting dead center is one of the most commanding front ends in the entire truck world. Projector LED headlights cutting through the darkness, amber marker lights across the roof, and that aggressive custom lift kit paired with enormous mud terrain tires completely filling those wide fenders. The blue XD series machined wheels with blue barrel accents add a perfect pop of color against that all-black body and tie this whole build together beautifully. Inside the Denali cabin, GMC delivers serious luxury. Premium two-tone cocoa and dark ash leather seats, real wood grain trim on the console and doors, a leather GMC steering wheel, full navigation display, and intuitive four-wheel drive controls, all logically placed. Comfortable, premium, and built to work just as hard as the truck itself. Under the hood, the legendary 6.6-liter Duramax Turbocharged Diesel V8 pumps out 470 horsepower and a massive 975 pound-feet of torque capable of towing up to 36,000 pounds through the smooth Allison 10-speed automatic transmission. Base price starts at around $75,000, and this full custom lifted build lands between $95,000 and $115,000, and every single penny is absolutely worth it.